Okay, good evening, Cougars. Apologize, I should already been logged in, but my computer's doing some weird stuff. So I'm gonna real quick try to go through this. This is actually my fourth time making the video. I've been having trouble with the screencastify. But anyways, so what we're gonna look at is the course that you all are in right now. So I'm gonna go to my Canvas. Yours is a little bit different than mine, but it's kind of the main. You'll get the main idea of it. So on dashboard, you're part of ITNW 1358.7 Network Plus. So I go ahead and click right there and get into it. Um, One of the big things is you're going to see this book right here. Some of you are going to think about going to buy it. You don't need it unless you want to keep it. Unless you want it for yourself, that's fine. But I wouldn't buy it unless you have to. I'm going to try to go in another video and try to show you how to download the book, and maybe I'll put that out by Wednesday or something. These buttons right here basically give you a lot of information you need for the class. The two big things is the modules, and I'm going to kind of real quick go through that, and then I'll try to hit the concourse syllabus real quick. So right now, what I have open is I don't have Internet of Things open. I don't have Enroll on Internet of Things open yet because there's something that we're working on as a as our me and other professors are trying to make sure that it works correctly. Because they did an update and it's having issues. One of the things that you need to work on is try to get this packet tracer done. That means you're going to download packet tracer. If you go to the activity, it should have the steps that you need to download it. So that's something you can work on before Saturday. The other thing is try to do that binary conversion. And I do have Module 2 and Module 3 open because we need to get those done before the weekend's over. Now, if you notice, one of the big things is that there's a PowerPoint for each one. If if you do some of the reading, and if you can't get to the reading, if you can at least try to go through the slides and get the gist of it, they actually will help you on the test. And so for right now, the tests are wide open. So I'm just going to let you guys use the slides for this week, and then I'll see whether we want to use them for next week or not. As far as like notes, since we're starting off the week kind of strange. So, concourse syllabus, real quick. I'm going to try to go through this, and hopefully, I won't have any more issues with my Screencastify program. You can go through all this on your own, so I'm not going to say too much about it. All I know is this is your grading method right here. Take a look at it. Make sure you understand the different parts of it because you got a chapter test that's 20%, a midterm that's 15, and a final that's 25. And just those alone make up a big part of your grade. This is a breakdown of each one of them, and then there's a course calendar. Now the big deal is we end the week on a Sunday, but you do have up until Wednesday to turn stuff in. I don't really have anything set up yet to turn anything off, so you can't get turning stuff to me. For right now, I'm kind of wide open, but we do have only 8 weeks to finish everything. So make sure you try to get stuff done for each week like you're supposed to. Introduce yourself on the discussion board. Don't worry about this one too much for right now. And this setup, Cisco, don't worry about that one too much because these things right here kind of go together. So let's not worry about that too much. But you do not need to download and install Packet Tracer. You won't have to do this one because that also ties in with these three. Chapter 1 quiz, and I sound like a broken record, but these all go together. So just make sure try to get what you can done as best you can. And I'm going to try to send out an email. I'm sorry about trying to make the video too fast, but I'm still having a lot of trouble. So I want to at least try to get this video out to you. If you guys have any questions, email me. Thanks.